If you've lost access to your Charles Schwab Corp account and can't use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Charles Schwab website. Go to the official Charles Schwab website. Look for the login section where you can find options for account recovery. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options where you can initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you don't have access to your phone number, select an alternative recovery method. This may include answering security questions or using an email associated with your account. Step 4. Verify your identity. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Charles Schwab customer support for further assistance.